the Inspector General of Police is unavoidably absent and has mandated me to represent him. I will go directly to read his speech. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the launch of the newly approved standardized supernumerary police spy uniforms and kits. This event marks a significant milestone and a crucial step in our efforts at enhancing professionalism and visibility of our supernumerary police officers. Section 21, subsection 7 of the Police Act 2020 as amended, formally establishes the supernumerary police as an integral unit within the Nigerian police force. The Act further defines their powers, privileges, and functions, as well as their supervision by the Nigerian police force, including their uniforms and accoutrements, thereby ensuring standardized visual identity. Pursuant to Section 21 of the same Act, private organizations or government departments seeking to utilize services of supernumerary police for the protection of their owned or controlled properties may submit an application to the Inspector General of Police. Despite being an essential and desirable component of the force, the spy unit has faced difficulties in establishing a distinct identity. Attempts to create and enhance its identity have been significantly impeded by the lack of standardized and distinctive uniform, which has persisted as a major obstacle. Upon assuming office, the current force management team recognized the need for the Nigerian police force to leverage the support of the supernumerary unit to augment our guard and protective commitments nationwide. This was in consideration of the paucity of personnel to provide guard duties for all companies and institutions and the need for better coordination of supernumerary police nationwide. Consequently, on December 6, 2023, the Force Management Team, under my leadership, appointed Professor Abiola Allen as the Commissioner of Police Spy to coordinate supernumerary police operations across the country. Furthermore, in accordance with the Police Act 2020, and as part of our initiative to revitalize the spy operations across the country, we engaged Messrs. Sevego Nigeria Limited to undertake the standardization and redesigning of spy uniforms. This was towards ensuring that our spy personnel present a professional and well-groomed image, commensurate with their responsibilities. Additionally, it was a step aimed at checkmating abuse and misuse of regular police uniforms and ensuring that our supernumerary police officers are uniquely dressed. Consequent upon the foregoing, we are delighted to unveil today a meticulously crafted design endorsed by the Force Management Team. I am therefore most delighted to formally relaunch the new standardized spy uniform and kits. As we launch these uniforms and kits, we mandate all organizations utilizing spy police personnel to strictly adhere to these standardized uniforms. The force quartermaster and personnel across the states will provide guidance on the registration and acquisition of these uniforms. All police training schools are instructed to adopt the new uniform issuance model for spy police personnel. Meanwhile, I wish to use this opportunity to mention that the Nigerian police force is actively taking measures to prevent the unauthorized production and distribution of our uniforms, including the spy uniforms, as part of our commitment to safeguarding the integrity and security of our uniforms. Thank you all for coming, and God bless you as you safely return to your destinations.
Uniform.
Yes, this is the newly approved uniform notification.
Our spies, police officers. As you can see, the outfit is beautiful and it will make them very, very unique and easily identifiable. Thank you.
Can we please appreciate the entity for filling the uniform? This is how these are so clear. With the new one, you see the supernumerary police inscribed on almost all the parts. Even on the chest is written. Shoulder, written. Cap, written. Belt, they say even they forget. Now the baby is. Yes, spy written on the belt. Almost all the materials have spy inscription on them. So take note for Nigerians to take.